Love them or hate them, when they came out, the Killteam measuring tools caused a little bit of controversy. Now this one, I got as the pre-order bonus with my Octarius box set. I like it a lot. I don't really use it, I use the plastic ones, but some people prefer a tape measure, and that's absolutely fine. So, let's have a look at what we can do to make the tape measure a little bit more Killteam friendly. Now we're just going to need a little bit of masking tape, a hobby knife, and a few colours. Grab some of this masking tape. Now you don't have to use this specific masking tape. I like it because it's nice and thin, and it's got really good adhesion. Next up, you're going to grab your tape measure. I'm using a hugely overpriced Games Workshop tape measure here. You don't have to. What I do like about this is it's got an inverted hold on it, so there is that. But you literally need to use whatever tape measure you've got. And we're just going to go up to the 6-inch mark. Next, we're going to give the tape measure a little bit of a clean, just so that we get the best adhesion of the tape here. We're just going to put a little bit of tape on there, avoiding the numbers if we can. Now, it's not overly important if you don't, but I like to be able to see the numbers there, and it just gives me the ability to use it with other types of war game, really. Being able to read the numbers is, as you might imagine on a tape measure, pretty useful. And it's probably a good time as well to just say, if you're enjoying this video and you like my content, do give it a follow, like, and subscribe. Now, once we've got this tape in place, notice how I'm avoiding the numbers there. We're just going to clean it up. We only need to go to the 6-inch mark. So clean this end part off, and at the end where the hooky part thing is, whatever you want to call it, I'm not entirely sure, the part that hooks onto things. Then flipping the tape measure over, we're just going to cut off that excess. Now, all we're going to do is we're going to match up the colours that are in the Killteam core manual to the areas on the tape measure. So 1 inch we're going to make black, up to the 2-inch mark in white, 3-inch up in blue. Now you could do these staggered as well, so you could make the black line, you could use half of it or a third of it or even a quarter of it. Black up to 1 inch, then up to 2 inch, so you've got from 1 inch to 2 inches white, and then from 1 inch to 3 inches blue at the bottom, and then from 1 inch to 6 inch overlapping the other two as well in the red. And that's it. It's fairly simple. You see where I'm going with this. It just makes a nice visual aid that fits in with the Killteam aesthetic. You can use it for Warcry too. Once it's dry, you're good to go. Easy measuring for your different types of movement in Killteam. Well, I hope you found this one useful. It was a super quick one. Let me know what you think down in the comments, and I'll see you again.